Hi everyone, and welcome to Little Monster Eats. My name is Sandy. What's your name?
Brandon.
Okay, so today we're gonna make a school lunch for Brandon. All right, guys, so let's get started with our meal. We're gonna make a DIY Lunchables today, so it's gonna be very easy. We're gonna use a bento box, and we're gonna use this tray today. So Lunchables is really easy to make. When I was younger, I used to love eating them, but they were kind of expensive, so it was like a treat to get. But all together, you break it down, and it's just cheese, lunch meat, and crackers. Brandon's a little picky, but we're going to go ahead and add some of the things that he's going to like, and then I'm going to add a few things that he doesn't typically eat, but we're going to see if he's going to try it at school today. So first, we're going to get the meat. Which one is this one?
Turkey.
Turkey. All right, so turkey you can buy in the deli section of your grocery store, or you can buy them pre-packaged, already sliced. I actually got this at the deli counter, and I asked them if they could slice it to the thickest slice option that they have there. That way you can kind of get that thicker cut, and it'll look more like the Lunchables that you buy. So we're going to go ahead and just pile that up in here. And then I also decided to add some salami. He loves salami, so I cut them up into little triangles, so we'll put that in there too. Nope, in here, Brandon, with the other meat. Thank you. And then his favorite part is what? Cheese. Cheese. What kind of cheese is this? Do you know?
Colby.
Yeah, this is Colby Jack cheese. So I sliced that up for him as well. You can use cutters if you want to make it cuter, but I didn't have the time, so I just went ahead and just sliced these up. And what goes with the Lunchables? Crackers. So we went ahead and got these. These are from Pepperidge Farm, but they're in the shape of butterflies. So go ahead and put it in that one. Thank you. All right, now your typical Lunchables is always lacking vegetables, fruit. They don't have any of that. So when you make your own at home, you get to add those things in there just so it makes it a little healthier for the kids. So for the vegetables, we're gonna go ahead, okay. Stop. For the vegetables, we're gonna go ahead and add these. This is a mixture of carrots and cucumbers. And I cut them into hearts. Do you like cucumbers? No? How about carrots? No?
I like both of them.
You don't like both of them? Okay, can you try them? Yeah? What do you like though? What is this?
Lettuce.
Lettuce. So Brandon likes lettuce for some reason, but he only likes crunchy lettuce. So I buy whatever lettuce and I give him only the crunchy parts because he will leave the green parts behind. So go ahead and have a mixture of carrots and cucumbers and lettuce for his vegetable. And then we're going to add fruit. So what fruit are we going to add now? What are those?
Orange and grapes.
Orange and grapes. Okay, so I should kind of mix this up here. So sorry, the lettuce and stuff we'll go ahead and put on this side because you have more fruit than you have vegetables. So grapes. Go ahead and put them there. And this is a cutie clementine that I peeled up for him. It's a little hard for him to open them. He's only 4 years old, so I went ahead and peeled it. And
You what?
the orange.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, not a whole, like a little bit, not like that thing.
Yeah, not like the thing on the outside, the peel. All right. So there's your orange and your grapes. And then for an extra crunch, he went and chose a snack, and this is going to be pita chips. Go ahead and put that there. And what's that? Teddy grams. And what do you call this?
What?
Huh? What is this called? What do you call this? Is this your treat?
Mm-hmm.
Or what?
Not my
Your what?
my teeth.
Yeah, your treat or your dessert. He likes to call it his dessert.
My teeth.
Dessert, yes. And just to make it a little bit more cute, he wanted to pick out these picks. So let's see where he puts them. You can get these picks on Amazon, but they're pretty cute for decoration or for him just to use as little forks. And to go along with the bento box Lunchables, we went ahead and Got a thermos ready for him. These keep cold for several hours. So inside today we have milk. Usually he brings either milk or water to school and not so much juice. Juice is like a real treat, like if we were to go out to eat at a restaurant or something. But he usually brings either just milk or water. Okay, I think that's good, Brandon. You got to be able to close it. All right. So I guess this is what he's going with. So this is, again, the DIY Lunchables. Let's go. We got turkey. We have salami, cheese, crackers. Huh? Colby Jack cheese. Yes, you're right. Colby Jack cheese, crackers, grapes and orange. For the vegetables, we have carrots, cucumbers, and lettuce. And then we have pita chips. And then for his dessert, chocolate teddy grams. All right, so you want to go ahead and put it in your box? There you go. Are you excited about eating this lunch?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, so that concludes this video. Again, it's a DIY Lunchable, super easy and affordable for anybody to make. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Little Monster Eats. And thanks for watching the video. Bye.
Bye.